Alrighty, y'all. Hey there, it's Renee here. Tonight is spaghetti night in our little house, and I am going to make some homemade cheesy garlic toast for our spaghetti with homemade bread. I'm not going to show you, however, the bread recipe that will be coming in an upcoming cookbook that I'll be working on. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this over to the oven and toast the bread on one side. All right, so the bread is slightly over toasted on one side, and now we're just gonna flip all these pieces over. And yes, they are uneven, but I don't have a bread slicer at the moment, and I'm not that coordinated to cut every one the same size. So, all right, so you probably heard my microwave beeping. That means that the melted butter is ready. Butter, margarine, whatever you like to use. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush this butter onto each piece. All right, so the next thing is I'm going to kind of push this aside. I've got a bowl and a spoon here, and I'm going to take some of this shredded cheese, and I've got Fiesta blend. It's the only one I had. You can use any you want. It doesn't even have to be shredded, but like I said, it's all the cheese I have, so I'm using this. Just depending on how cheesy you want your bread, just add that much cheese to it. Then we're going to take this minced garlic, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a quarter. And then I'm going to throw in some onion powder because I love onion powder. And we're just going to mix it up. All right, so I bet you guessed the next step. We're going to put this cheese, this garlicky cheese, on top of each piece of bread, just dispersing it out so there's plenty for each slice. If you have enough and you like it, you can do Parmesan cheese. I have a little bit, but I'm going to try to make it work. I should have honestly just mixed it in with the cheese. All right, so the next step is going to be to pop this back in the oven. Keep a good eye on it. When the cheese melts, it's done. It is beautiful, beautiful. Let's plate it up and get supper ready. Can you hear the crunch?